These things, you have to know it. You have to know it. Hi, GIDDYWAY lovers. So, guys, today I'm just gonna do one simple style. Don't know. Let's get to it. This is the style. What do we do? We share the middle. When you share, what do you do after share? So now we're gonna share. We're gonna share at the middle. This style, I just want to try it out. I've not tried it out before. From the middle, you pleat. Make sure your pleat comes out very well. Now take it from the back. From the back. Then you arrange. Are you following? Are you following? Are you following? Please, whenever you're arranging, always make sure. Yeah, okay, it's neatly arranged. It's neatly arranged. Now I want to arrange this one backward so that the view will show very well in case if I'm twisting it. Now you do the same here. You arrange also. Happy birthday to you. Okay, let's check in if I was recording or not. So guys, you see we're arranging bits by bits, bits by bits, bits by bits. Now I want to spread it. Okay, so that. Now, if you have been watching my videos, you drag this way, make sure you drag everything tight. You kind of raise this one up a bit, then you twist. You twist the reason. Now you have twisted. So twist. So you're gonna hold this side. Now for making your GèLè tights, you take little ones. You take this first plate, you drag it down and pin. That helps your GèLè look a bit tight. Although you can still make it tight from the end. Now this side now, it's not up to you to say, I want to make a fan out of it. I want to make, sorry. It's not up to you to say, all right, so this one now, it's not up to you to say you want to make fan, or you just arrange it down, or you want to make pleats. But anyone first, you pin here, one pin at the back. Just take those two pleats you took, then you pin them at the back. See, look at, you pin them here. As you drag it, make sure you drag, then you pin. It goes in, come out. That's where you must pin. Go in, then come out. Go in, come out. Guys, we are having a physical class. Please, if you are in Lagos, don't joke with this class. If you are in Lagos, make sure you don't joke with this class. Now see, I'm going to pleat all this thing, but I'm going to be pleating it backward. Okay. See, so like that. The pleats now, I'm not arranging it to top each other. I'm arranging it to go backward. So you see, it's going to be like this. Yeah. So that it will look different a bit. You see, going like this. So we arrange, you keep on arranging, but because I'm not breaking it on top each other does not mean it should not be arranged. Does not mean it should not be arranged. So you see that one we pick here, we arrange everything this way. We just arrange everything. Then you see this one, use it and twist it. Okay. Pin again. So pin for it to whenever you're pinning your gele, this pinning is not the real pin. It's that first one you pin that's the real pin. You get? So you see? So you just lay like this. Like this. Now what do we do with here? What do we do with here? Okay, now let me show you what we'll do with this place now. See what we're gonna do. First of all, we're gonna pin here. We pin here to also make it firm. We pin here to also make it firm. Now we have pin here. Drag it again, we pin here. I just want to do something a bit different. I just pin here. I can go to the back and pin, but let me just pin here first. Now, do it like this. Hello, you open it like this. When you open it like this, you share from the middle. Share it from the middle. You can see one side, both sides, one side. So you take, there's an excess at the back. I can just use it instead of wasting it. I use it to hold here down. You get, so you just use the excess, hold here down. So meaning as you're working, you create excess for this stuff also. I have to create excess for it. Now, normally, some mama would like to slay this way, just the way it is. You get? But for us now, I would like us to arrange it properly. Alright, so I would like us to arrange this. So what we do now, we just pick, this is the tip we want to show. Just bring everything backward. I even want to pin it to this one. If it works, please, whatever you're doing, make sure it's working. If you arrange it backward and pin there and it makes sense, no wahala. They'll bring this one down. We use it. You see this place now, it's just the way. Now this one now is just the way you want it. You understand? So the way I did mine can be different, and the way you did yours can also be different. So now you can see here is well cultured than before. So we do the same thing here. See the way this one feels now. Can decide to go here and go down. Understand? Can decide to go here like this. So we just pin this one here. Can pin from the front or from the back. Major thing is don't allow a large portion of the pin to be showing. Try to hide your pin. Understand? Yeah. So this one now, what do we do? You see? So you just pin this one to the back, and we are good to go. We are good to go. So you see, ladies and gentlemen, now this one you might be like, oh, I don't like the way it's spreading, I don't like the way it's so what do? You can just remove this thing, arrange it up. So you get, I guess we leave it the way it was. We'll leave it the way it was. Yeah? So that's it for this episode of Train the GIDDYWAY. Train the GIDDYWAY. Now I made a mistake. This split I made were too much, so I didn't have space to cover the back. But normally I could have just maybe used some excess and just use the excess gradually and cover it up. But that will be next time. I could have just arranged them and use the excess to cover it up. But that will be next time. So, but you, when you are doing yours, just leave a little bit of pleat for covering. Okay. So thank you, and thank you for training the GIDDYWAY. All right, please hold your ears. Let me push it back a bit. So it's gonna be like this, firm and cute and different. So you get, it's gonna be firm, cute, and at the same time different to to stay.